Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, thanks to Derek at Seacoast House of Cars, we have his probe. Yes, I've made every single joke you can make. I'm not going to make them on this channel because I don't want to get demonetized. Now, I will say that's not the intended license plate for this car, but the state of New Hampshire wouldn't let him put the intended plate that we wanted to put on this car. I think you can all guess what that would have been. Enough of the jokes for this second. This is the 1989 Ford Probe Turbo GT, or GT Turbo. 2.2 liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, 5-speed manual transmission, 145 horsepower, 190 pound-feet of torque. This was made in collaboration with Mazda, zoom zoom. No, that was not their motto at the time. Front-wheel drive. This thing is a absolute freaking rocket ship. Dude, look at the taillights. Oh, I love 80s cars. The taillights are the size of New Mexico. The interior, crocodile, alligator. All right, I'm done. Oh. I miss the 80s when manufacturers were really trying hard to out-weird each other. You ready for the weirdest turn signal stock you will ever see in any car? No, what was the one with the one on the steering wheel? Oh, this is the Huracan. This one's pretty close. Look at that! High beam switch, you pull. Oh, pop-ups, I forgot it had pop-ups. That just freaked me out. Whoop. Oh, oh god, this is gonna be such a stupid video. But I don't really care. What's in here? Ooh, oh, that's how you control everything from here. Distance to empty, exterior temp, even though it's all in that. ETA, sorry, Neanderthal moment. This to empty, miles. That's actually pretty good. Yeah. What is this? Oh, I'm not even gonna say what I'm gonna call that vent. Best part is you adjust the steering wheel. This whole assembly comes with you. Like, oh my god. Oh, it has one for the driver too. Let's go. Oh my god. Adaptive dampers. This thing is just, 5-speed with the throws as long as the tail lights. I love this car. It is so fun. It is so, as Doug DeMare would say, quirky. Woohoo! Man, why can't we make cars like this anymore? Now, this has 140 horsepower. That is nothing. Absolutely nothing in today's day and age. I think a base model Versa has the same, if not more, power. And this was seen as a top trim performance probe. But what saves it is 190 foot-pounds of torque. Pound-feet, whatever. I don't really care. Woohoo! That is why this thing feels so darn quick. I cannot believe the car has adaptive dampers that I think work. That could have been a little sketch because I used the dead pedal as the clutch, but I got about half clutch in there, so that worked. Don't you run out there. Actually, I'll run you over. You've been sitting on my car cover. Freaking squirrel. That actually happened the other day. Freaking squirrel's been sitting on the car cover I have for my Porsche, before I annoy you. And a squirrel was about to cross the street. I hit the brakes. I'm like, oh no, I don't want to kill. Oh, then I remember they sounded in the car, so I lifted off the brake. I didn't floor it to try to hit him, but I'm like, nah, I'm good. It's the Darwin Award. This video has become as weird as this car, but at least I can say, you know what? Yeah, it's as weird as the car. It fits. Woohoo! Back to the weird turn signal stock that I feel like I'm going to snap off. Turn in. Woohoo! Come on, baby, claw. Yeah, 80s turbo. Jeez. Fifth gear is in the passenger's freaking right foot. Whee! Oh, so much torque. The steering wheel is absolutely freaking massive compared to today's steering wheels. I feel like I'm 3 years old. All right, downshift, heel toe, let's go. Can I heel toe? Very well. Oh, I love the freaking 90s shift boot that looks like, I'm not gonna say. Oh, oh, that is so cool. It says door is ajar. Well, to me it looks like it's still a door, so I don't know what that's talking about. I forgot. 80s. Fuel, low oil, cool it. All your warning lights are right there. You have a couple stacked in the dash, but why am I fourth? Woohoo! There's nothing like 80s turbos. They just have such a unique feel to them. They're so peaky. They just, when they deliver power, it's nothing, everything. this car was made today, forgot, I have to put it into the next zip code. This car was made today, they would sell so many of these. Obviously, the modern day Probe. And I think in a roundabout, wait a minute. Wasn't the Probe supposed to get rid of the Mustang? Am I thinking wrong here? Which would probably make way more sense. Obviously, it's a front-wheel drive platform compared to a rear-wheel drive. But if you think bare bones, a manual EcoBoost Mustang is pretty similar to this, just in rear-wheel drive form. So, I guess they do somewhat, well, not a stick shift EcoBoost anymore because Hertz doesn't rent manual Mustangs. I do firmly believe that I think 90% of the world's EcoBoost Mustangs are in rental fleets. And when they say, yeah, we've sold 90% of EcoBoost Mustangs sold were automatics. Yeah, that's because Thrifty only orders automatics. Oh God, well, thank you guys for coming along for this ride because this is something interesting. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.